model, 2016 Volkswagen Crafter CR35 2.0TDI Luton box van non-runner no VAT. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 171430. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 136 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner engine has ceased spares or repairs. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, tailift in working order, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,550. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.